So you can see that I got multiple Jotboards right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and manage out certain type of Jotboard in a folder. So for that over here, you can see that example folder is already here. You can click on new folder to go ahead and create folder as you want. If I were to go ahead and click on create, then over here on the top, you see this folder. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that I can move this folder right here inside another folder as well. Like I can move it inside of example folder. I can also go around over here and rename it and delete out this folder as well. Apart from that, you can go around over here and you can see that move to is an option. So now you can go around inside of example folder, inside of TutorTube right here. Similarly, I can go ahead and move this to example folder inside of TutorTube. And let's say this one, I want to move it inside of example folder only. So you can see that on the home page, you don't have anything. But if I were to click on the example folder, now you can see under recent board, you are inside example folder. And this is what you have. If I were to actually go around over here onto the TutorTube folder now, you can see that inside of example folder, I'm inside of TutorTube now, where you are able to see this. So this is how you can go ahead and use folders inside of Jotboard. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe